Hi UMS families, my name is Tisa Banash and I'm the behavior specialist here at UMS. You may have heard your child refer to me as Ms. B. I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you an approach that we use at school called PBIS, Positive Behavioral Interventions and Supports. It's a universal approach to teaching the desired behaviors we want to see from kids at school. So, the first step that we do is we teach students the school rules. Here's a copy of what that looks like for the hallway. Be safe, be kind, do your best. I am sure your students will be able to tell you what those school rules are. They're taught them for every environment. They hear them on the morning announcements every day and in classrooms throughout the day. Now here are the fun parts. A major component of PBIS is recognizing students who are following the school rules. We acknowledge those by using champ bands. They look like this. You shouldn't see any of these at home because we use them to earn classroom celebrations. So if you do, remind your student to bring them back to their classroom container. Speaking of celebrations, once students earn champ bands, they place them in classroom containers. This is Mrs. Hill's container. Once the container is full, they earn a classroom celebration. It looks like this class must have just earned one. Once they have the full container, they dump them into these school-wide containers, and then we get to celebrate as an entire school. If you can notice, this one says it's full. That means that we've just earned a school-wide celebration, and we'll be able to have a movie right before school break, which is very exciting. I hope you really enjoyed this. I hope you understood some things now about PBIS. Please ask your students about champ bands, and have a great day.